Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn topic 4 time. The content standard is 4.1 duration. The learning standard is 4.1.1 determine duration involving days and hours. Okay, first let's reread the situation here. It is 10:50 in the morning. We are going to start our tour in this animal farm. So, we are going to start the tour at 25th July 2021 at 10:50 a.m. Our tour is over. We are going back together by the bus. Okay, we end the tour at 27 July 2021 at 12:50 p.m. That means afternoon. If we see the both situation, the starting and the ending days and the time are different. Okay, first one, we should state the start and the ending. Okay, we start at 25th July 2021 at 10:50 a.m. We end at 27 July 2021 at 12:50 p.m. Okay, here there are two different units. That means the days are different and the times also are different. Okay, to solve the questions, we can use the strategy shown in the textbook. That means 25th July 2021 at 10:50 a.m. It start and then it end at 27. So 26 July 2021 at 10:50 a.m. it's become one day because one day has 24 hours. And then 26 July until 27 July at 10:50 a.m. another one day. Okay, so we should find the duration between 10:50 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. So 10:50 a.m., 11:50 a.m. 1 hour, and then 12:50 a.m. 2 hours. The answer will be 2 hours, 2 days, 2 hours. Okay. Dalam situasi ini, kita kena cari hari dan masa. Sebab dia mula hari yang berbeza, akhir pun hari yang berbeza. So 25 Julai 2021 pukul 10.50 pagi hingga 26 Julai 2021 pukul 10.50 pagi baru kira satu hari. So satu hari lengkap. Sebab satu hari ada 24 jam. Lepas tu 26 Julai 10.50 pagi hingga 27 10.50 pagi hari yang kedua. Lepas itu kita kena cari dari 10.50 pagi hingga 12.50 tengah hari. Ada berapa jam kat sini? Lepas tu kalau kita kira ada 2 jam. Jawapan dia 2 hari 2 jam. Boleh? Okay. The same situation, I will show the second solution here. As usual, we should state the start and the ending. Okay. We should find the days first. We should find the days. Okay. 10:50 a.m. 25th July 2021 to 10:50 a.m. 27 July 2021. So we should list all the days. 25th, 26th, 27th. And then here are one day, then another one day. So how many days? 2 days. Okay, kita kena senaraikan hari kat sini. 25, 26, 27. So dari pukul 10.50 pagi hingga 10.50 pagi hari 27 hari bulan 7. Okay, lepas itu kita kena kira 25 hingga 26 satu hari, 26 hingga 27 lagi satu hari. So 2 hari kat sini. And then hours and minute. Okay. Now we should find the duration between the time. Tempoh masa antara dua yang ini. Kalau nak cari tempoh masa, kita kena tolak. 12.50 tolak 10.50 dapat 2 hours. Okay? Okay. The answer will be 2 hours, 2 days, 2 hours. Same like the previous one. Okay, first we should list out the date and then find the duration between the date. 1 and then here 1 days. Then we find the hours and minutes. Here don't have minutes because 0, right? Okay, second question. Find the duration from 4:20 p.m. Saturday to 7:50 p.m. Sunday. Okay, here are only 2 days only. There is no specific date here. Okay, we should find the days. That means 4:20 Saturday into 4:20 Sunday. Okay. How many days? Saturday to Sunday. Saturday, Sunday. Only 1 days. Okay. Then hours and minute. If we want to find the hours and minute, we should minus 7:45 minus 4:20. The answer will be 3 hours 25 minutes. So the answer for the question is 1 day, 3 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, the last question. We should find the duration from 9:40 p.m. 6th April 2021 to 10:50 p.m. on 9th April 2021. First, we should find the days. Okay, we should state all the days between 6 to 9. So 6 April, 7 April, 8 April, 9 April. Okay, how many days are here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 days. And then we will find the hours and minutes. From 9:40 p.m. on 9th April to 10:50 p.m. on 9th April. So 10:50 minus 9:40, we will get 1 hour and 10 minutes. The answer will be 3 days, 1 hour and 10 minutes.